You might be wondering if RRC's live online training is right for you, so let's take a look. Live Online takes our classroom and online training provision and mixes them together in a dynamic, real-time, activity-packed experience. Now, here's why we think you'll like our live online training. It is not a series of lectures. There is lots of discussion and opportunities for collaboration. That said, it's not unstructured discussions over Zoom. There are lots of activities and interaction throughout the course. And no, we do not just deliver a classroom course through Zoom. We've created an integrated experience for you. Finally, we don't just run a course and abandon you at the end. We provide additional benefits to help you succeed in your studies. So, if you like what you saw, get in touch with us to find out more about live online training.